Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Open your Google Docs file in a web browser and sign into your account. Click File in the top menu and then choose Page Setup from the drop-down menu. Page Setup opens a dialog with options for paper size, orientation, margins, and color. Click the Page Color button to reveal color swatches and custom options. Choose a swatch or click Custom to enter RGB values or a hex code. Click Set as Default if you want every new document to use this back. After opening Page Setup, click the Page Color button to view choices. Select a predefined swatch for a quick background change that matches common themes. For precise color matching, click Custom to open the color picker or to type a hex code. Enter values like #FFFFFF or use RGB numbers for exact color replication. Test the color for legibility with your text before saving. Click OK to apply the color to the current document immediately and close the dialog. Once you choose a color, you can either apply it only to the current document or make it the default. To make it the default, click Set as Default inside the Page Setup dialog before you click OK. Default colors will apply to new documents you create in this account and browser. If you need to revert, open Page Setup again and choose white or another swatch. Remember that color choices do not change printed paper color unless your printer supports background printing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.